In this demonstration, I'll be showing you our financial services ontology, the intents, and the utterances that we provide out of the box, and a JSON file that you simply import into your client environment as part of a quick start package. Here I'm using the Amazon voice interface. On the left is the navigation panel, and in the main panel, we are showing our out-of-the-box financial services ontology intents. Let's look at intents. Say the location finder, we can see the utterances that we've defined and any slots that we may be using. Next, we look at the IBAN BIC info intent and we can see the additional utterances that the user may have defined. Finally, all this is encapsulated in a JSON file that we provide. You simply import this file and use it as the foundation upon which your custom application can be built. You benefit from our powerful industry ontology, and you are ready to go in super quick time. In this part of the demonstration, I'm going to show you where the intent responses are managed. In this example, we're using Oracle Knowledge CMS, which is part of the Oracle Service Cloud. First of all, you define your content type. We've called ours Alexa responses. If we now look at the schema, we can see that the Alexa responses comprises the intent name, the intent response, an image card, and a URL linked to the card. When a user asks a question, the system attempts to match it against one of the utterances. If a high confidence match is found, an intent for that utterance is fired. The Oracle Knowledge CMS is used to retrieve the corresponding intent response and pass it to the originating application. Depending on the device used, a combination of voice, text, and image are used as the response. Now, let's look at a content record in more detail. In this instance, I'm showing you the location finder intent response. It shows the response text, an image, and also a URL link. By using Oracle Knowledge to content manage intent responses, we can easily change responses without writing any code. Additionally, we benefit from its powerful core CMS functionality. For example, in the right-hand side panel, you can see category classification, a security model which uses views, and versioning and revision history. In this part of the demonstration, I'll be showing you the bank bot itself. On the left, we have the chat user interface, and input voice interface. On the right, we have the voice, and the visual intent response output interfaces. Let's launch the bank bot.
Hello, I'm Priya, your digital assistant. Ask me a question and I'll try my best to find an answer.
Let's log in.
I have successfully authenticated you.
In the first example, I will trigger an intent, which has a URL link in its intent response. The question is, where is my nearest branch?
Article found. For your nearest branch visit http://locator.natwest.com.
We can click on the URL link to open the branch location helper. We could have added a postcode slot to the utterance to make it even simpler to use. In the next example, we provide a better answer by updating an intent response in our content management system. Let's demonstrate by asking the question, what is an IBAN code?
Article found. You can find your IBAN and BIC on your account on online banking or your account statement, or the view/share account details section of your mobile app.
As you can see, we asked for, what is an IBAN code, and not where you can find it. So let's change the answer to a better one, by updating the intent response in our CMS. First, we find the article. Then we edit it for a more appropriate response. Next, we save it. And then we test once more. Now, if we go back and ask the same question again, what is an IBAN code?
Article found. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. It is made up of a code that identifies the country the account belongs to, the account holder's bank and the account number itself.
This example demonstrates the power and agility of content managing the intent response. Not a single line of new code was written, saving time and money that would have otherwise been spent on recoding, testing and deploying a new response. Now, let's ask another question. In this example, the client decided that the intent response should be handled by a real agent. The question is, what is my account balance?
Article found. Sorry, I don't have this capability yet. I'm going to pass you to someone who can help you. Please wait a moment.
In the background, we can utilize CMS analytics to identify which intents are being fired, and which intent responses warrant a business case for inclusion. Finally, let's demonstrate the power of search through our bank bot. Let's search for latest jobs.
You searched for latest jobs. Document found. For latest jobs, go to our careers page. See careers at NatWest https://jobs. natwest.com/.
When our bank bot cannot find a content-managed intent response, it is capable of performing an NLP search from an index of the bank's website. This is incredibly powerful, as it exposes the power of managed content and NLP search, all done in the chatbot. That concludes this demonstration. If you want to learn how your bot can harness the power of our industry ontologies, content-managed intent responses, and NLP search, contact us today at info@improvecx.com. Thank you.